Perfect, dude.
Check it out.
Hands back.
No, you gotta work your hands on me. Right here in that bucket.
Okay, Paige, come on up the other one.
It's just gonna get dirty again. Good job. Right there in that bucket.
Push in, move forward.
Oh no, my sister made it. I know, I can tell her. She made her with her daughter. They look even cuter on the bed. She actually crochets on the panel. Isn't it amazing? She's so talented. I can tell her she should get a She crochets jewelry too. I saw somebody had a booth doing similar. Yeah. No, I think so. In the water. Put it on the clay like that.
Michael's schedule. There was, I don't know, like there's some things for sure. Will you put this
I think I did a pretty good job drawing that out.
Thank you. Have a perfect day.
A bowl? Okay. Make a bowl. With your finger like this. June, you want to stand up? It might be easier.
Need help tying?
She wants to stand up.
Okay. You ready? Slide up.
There we go. Look at those shoes. That's better.
You can do it, William.
All right, do your finger like this.
Yeah, I think so. What happened to his
In my science class, my teacher made all the ceramics kids. Like a giant
Really
turtle.
well.
Yeah. Doesn't work. How big?
This is done.
How big is that? Wow. You fire that one solid piece and it's just. And you know, the one.
I swear. These jeans were black ones.
Okay, well.
Alright, so what do you want here? You can change it from this. Yeah, it's gonna be.
Oh my gosh. Look at there, I thought we had a baby pair of pants.
Make the face. Is this our
Smile big. It's only got fun.
I'll take it.
hole in the bottom?